Have you noticed that your erections aren't as firm or dependable as they used to be? Most men immediately assume the problem must be testosterone, blood flow, or aging. Those can matter, yes, but they're not the whole story. The real, often ignored truth is that the strength of your pelvic floor muscles plays an enormous role in how hard your erections get and how long they last. These deeper muscles create the internal pressure that traps blood inside the penis. And just like any muscle in your body, if they're not trained and maintained, they weaken as the years go by. This is where pelvic floor-focused training for men becomes absolutely essential. Many people think Kegels are only for women, especially postpartum women, but in my clinical experience with men in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond, I've watched their performance significantly improve simply by rebuilding these foundational muscles. Today, I'm going to guide you through the 5 most effective Kegel-style movements and pelvic stretches you can do right at home, no equipment needed, to support firmer erections, better control, and even healthier bladder function. And stay with me all the way until the end, because the very last movement we cover is the one most men never do, but it's honestly the true game changer for long-lasting firmness. Let's start with the first move, the foundational pelvic tilt. Lie down comfortably on your back. Bend your knees to around a 45-degree angle and place your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. This position keeps you stable and grounded. Rest your arms gently at your sides with your palms facing down. Take a moment to settle in. Allow your breathing to slow and become natural, deep, and relaxed. From here, shift your awareness to your lower back. Gently engage your abdominal muscles as if you're drawing your belly button toward your spine. Press your lower back into the floor, smoothing out any gap or arch underneath. As you do this, tilt your pelvis upward slightly. Not a big lift, just enough to feel a clean engagement without discomfort. You should feel a subtle but noticeable tightening across your lower abs and deep pelvic muscles. Hold this contraction for 3 to 5 seconds while breathing slowly, then return to your starting position with smooth control. This movement may look simple, but inside your body, it's doing profound work. You're training your pelvic floor muscles and lower abdominal muscles to activate together, a coordinated action specialists call co-engagement. These are the exact muscles responsible for rhythmically contracting and sealing blood inside the penis during an erection. Strengthening them builds your ability to maintain firmness with less effort and more control. Another vital benefit of this move is increased body awareness, what physical therapists refer to as proprioception. Many men don't even know where their pelvic floor muscles are until they perform movements like this. It's like discovering a switch inside your body you didn't know existed. Over time, you'll be able to sense these muscles more clearly, where they fire, how they activate, and how to use them during moments when firmness counts. This can translate into stronger erections, better ejaculatory control, and improved bladder strength. Start with 10 to 15 repetitions. Make each rep deliberate and steady. Over a few weeks, work your way up to 20 or 25 reps. You may notice that instead of losing firmness easily, you begin to hold it far more consistently, something many men feel they lost years ago. Before we move on to the second stretch, I want to quickly mention something important, something I created specifically for men over 50 who want to rebuild their vitality naturally. It's called the All-in-One Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint. This guide brings together the same strategies I use in my own practice to help men restore energy, improve circulation, strengthen hormone balance, and deepen intimacy in their relationships. Inside, I also share joint-friendly workout routines and a simple 15-minute daily energy protocol designed to restore stamina and confidence. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment. If you're ready to not just improve, but truly transform your vitality, this is your next step. Now let's move on to the second exercise, the prone stretch. Lie face down on a comfortable surface with your legs extended. Position your elbows directly under your shoulders so your forearms rest flat, parallel on the ground, almost like the beginning of a gentle cobra pose. Lift your chest slightly, keeping your neck neutral and your gaze forward or slightly downward. Engage your core by lightly drawing your belly button inward, as if creating a little space between your stomach and the floor. At the same time, gently activate your pelvic floor. Imagine lightly lifting upward as if stopping the flow of urine midstream. Hold this lightly while keeping your breathing slow and steady. This movement delivers a unique combination of stretching and activation. You're lengthening the front of your body, especially the hip flexors, which often tighten from sitting, while simultaneously training the pelvic floor, transverse abdominals, and deep stabilizers to fire together. This combination is powerful for two reasons. It boosts pelvic circulation and trains the muscles responsible for erection support to work in harmony. Men who practice this regularly often report reduced chronic lower back tension, better posture, and a stronger connection to their pelvic floor during intimate moments. This improved mind-muscle-nervous system connection means signals between your brain, pelvic floor, and erection become clearer and faster, almost like upgrading from a sluggish connection to a high-speed one. Hold the prone stretch for 20 to 30 seconds at first, breathing softly. Repeat this stretch 3 to 4 times, resting briefly between attempts. As your flexibility improves, gradually increase the hold time to 45 seconds or even a minute. Over time, you'll feel both looseness and stability in the pelvic region, the perfect blend for better erectile performance. Now let's move into the third movement, the kneeling abdominal draw-in. Position yourself on all fours in a neutral tabletop posture. Your hands should be directly under your shoulders, fingers spread for stability, and your knees should be aligned under your hips. Keep your spine flat, not arched and not sagging. Take a slow breath in through your nose. As you exhale through your mouth, gently draw your stomach inward, pulling your belly button toward your spine without tensing your shoulders or upper body. At the same time, activate your pelvic floor. Think of lifting from inside your pelvis, as if lightly drawing upward. Hold this coordinated contraction for 3 to 5 seconds, then release slowly as you inhale. This movement targets one of the most important but overlooked core muscles, the transverse abdominis, the deep corset muscle that stabilizes your spine and pelvis. Training this muscle in cooperation with the pelvic floor builds powerful stability in the lower body, enabling better erection quality and control. It also enhances the communication pathways between your brain and pelvic region, supporting improved performance. Start with 10 to 15 repetitions, focusing on slow, controlled breathing. As endurance grows, lengthen the hold to 7 or even 10 seconds. You can experiment with shifting your weight forward or backward slightly to activate different fibers of the pelvic musculature, making this an incredibly versatile movement for building long-lasting performance. The fourth exercise is the bridge with abduction. Lie on your back once again, with your knees bent at about 90 degrees and your feet hip-width apart, grounded firmly on the floor. Press your heels down, engage your glutes, and lift your hips toward the ceiling so your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Maintain this bridge position as you slowly press your knees outward, as if spreading the floor beneath you. Hold for a second or two, then draw them back in with steady control. This movement is powerful because it trains multiple muscles at once: your glutes, your hip abductors, and of course your pelvic floor. Your glutes are the largest and strongest muscles in your body, and when activated properly, they help drive blood toward the pelvis. When they're weak, blood flow slows, making it harder to achieve strong erections. When they're strong, they act as supportive drivers that keep circulation moving in the right direction. This exercise also helps stabilize the hips, lower back, and pelvis, reducing fatigue and improving performance during longer intimate encounters. It trains your body to maintain firmness during movement, simulating the kind of muscular endurance and coordination required during sex. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions, pushing outward for 2 to 3 seconds each time. As your strength improves, increase to 15 or 20 reps. You can add a resistance band above your knees for additional challenge and muscle activation. Finally, we arrive at the most overlooked but incredibly powerful movement, the rocking frog stretch. Start on your hands and knees and gently widen your knees into a wide V shape. Turn your feet outward, letting the inner thighs open naturally. Lower onto your forearms and allow your hips to sink toward the floor. You will feel an intense stretch through your groin, inner thighs, and hips, all areas deeply connected to pelvic tension and blood flow. Once you feel stable, begin rocking your hips forward and backward slowly and rhythmically. This movement does something remarkable. It creates controlled motion through the entire pelvis, releasing tight tissues while simultaneously encouraging blood flow. When the inner thighs and pelvic floor become chronically tight, which happens more commonly with age, stress, and long hours of sitting, they can restrict circulation, making it harder to get and maintain strong erections. This rocking stretch helps reverse that. The dynamic rocking motion also enhances lymphatic drainage, improves pelvic circulation, and teaches your pelvic floor how to relax and contract in perfect balance. That balance is key. Too much tightness in the pelvic floor can lead to restricted blood flow, premature ejaculation, or sensitivity issues. Too little strength makes it hard to hold blood in place during arousal. This movement helps you find that ideal middle zone. Spend 30 to 40 seconds rocking gently. Repeat 3 times. Modify the position if necessary by narrowing your stance or placing padding under your torso. With consistent practice, you may feel your pelvis become more open, more responsive, and more alive. Many men report dramatic improvements in firmness, sensitivity, stamina, and even orgasm intensity after incorporating this single stretch. So there you have it, the 5 best pelvic and Kegel-based movements for restoring harder, more reliable erections after 50. These aren't gimmicks or temporary tricks. They're practical, science-backed exercises that train your body to hold blood more effectively, improve nerve communication, increase sensitivity, and give you greater control over your sexual response. Consistency is everything. Just 5 to 10 minutes per day can lead to noticeable changes in a few weeks, with more significant improvements after 2 to 3 months. Before we wrap up, a lot of my viewers ask me what natural supplements actually work for men's health. After researching and testing what truly makes a difference, I've narrowed it down to 4 essentials. 1 for stronger erections, 1 for stamina and performance, 1 for healthy testosterone balance, and 1 for prostate comfort. These formulas are natural, research-supported, and work together for powerful results. I've linked them for you in the description and the pinned comment. And remember, this community is a safe space for men to support one another. Share your age and where you're from in the comments. As we grow older, this isn't a decline, it's a new chapter. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, wishing you strength, vitality, and confidence at every stage of life. I'll see you in the next video.